Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can diagnose your PSP. It won't charge. So basically what you'll need to do is now remove the battery and take out like this, put your charger, and now you should turn on and your PSP should turn on and the light should show right here, and if you twist your charger it shouldn't go out. And basically if you put the battery same back again and basically you just put the charge on, your power should come up, the orange light right here, and if you twist like this it shouldn't go off. And if your PSP won't charge like this, like if you put the charger, it means that you have bad charging port. So you can try prying out the little tab right here, not the main, not this one, but the little tab right here. So pry it out a little bit, maybe it's loose. If it doesn't, you should try changing your charging port. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and see you in the next one.